In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the footer on Squarespace in about 5 minutes. First off, let's dive into what the footer on your Squarespace site is. Essentially, it's the section at the bottom of every page on your site. It often contains contact information, social media links, or any additional navigation that you might want to include. Sometimes, however, to achieve a sleeker look or due to design preferences, you might want to remove this footer. And that's exactly what we're going to go through today. To get started, navigate to the Squarespace website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. Squarespace offers various ways to log in, including the conventional email and password method, but for our tutorial, we'll opt for the more streamlined process. Click on Continue with Google, which will prompt you to select your Google account from the list provided. Once you've successfully logged in with your Google account, it's time to find your way to your website's dashboard. You can directly head to your site management page by clicking on the link provided, or alternatively navigate through the Squarespace interface to find your site listed under your account. With your website now in front of you, it's time to enter editor mode. Look for the edit button or simply click on the direct link provided in the video description to access your website editing tools. Next, we're looking to edit the site footer specifically. On your website's editor page, there should be an option labeled Edit Site Footer. Click on this to begin making changes to the footer section. Now this is where the magic happens. We're going to remove the footer. Within the footer editing mode, you should notice a Remove button. Clicking this will initiate the process to remove the footer from your site. However, Squarespace will ask for confirmation to ensure this is really what you want to do, because this action is irreversible through simple undo commands. When you're prompted, click Remove again to confirm your decision. Finally, and this is crucial, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a Save button visible on your screen. Click it to ensure all the changes you've made are applied and will be visible on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the footer from your Squarespace site, giving it the clean, streamlined look you desired. Remember, changes like these can significantly impact your site's design and user experience, so it's always good to preview your site and see how it looks without the footer. Also, keep in mind, if you ever change your mind or want to add a footer again in the future, Squarespace allows you to easily add sections back into your site design. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it was helpful. For more Squarespace tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.